This is a magic black box. This box right here holds 288 frames. There is absolutely zero excuses for not having enough inventory in your practice. Whether you have a really small 500 square foot, 1,000 square foot optical, you can really expand your whole inventory and keep your frames organized. So it holds 288 frames in this nice organization. Imagine you can almost have 600 frames in here if you double them up. A few things I like to use this box for is I actually have two of them in our practice. One is for Medicaid. Yes, we give Medicaid over 288 choices for frames. I know it sounds ridiculous, but we actually take pride in seeing that population. We want them to feel good, look good, and have an awesome selection. The other reason we use the box is we'll put discontinued frames, frames that are on sale, and insurance frames where we can kind of guide our patients into an easy, manageable area to shop from. A lot of you might put really cheap frames on the frame boards. We like to keep it nice, centrally focused. It just makes the whole shopping experience better. So don't put the frames in the back, don't put them in an ugly box, don't put them under some cabinet that you'll never find. Keep it out in the public eye, and you'll actually start to train patients, and they'll look forward to coming in, shopping that box. It's really simple.